Let me answer the most common questions I get about Namecheap promo codes. How much does it actually cost? Two options. 1 year is $29.57. That's $22.88 for hosting, plus $6.49 for your domain with the promo code. 2 years is $44.57, $37.88 for hosting, plus $6.49 for the domain. What's included? Domain privacy, website builder, 24/7 support. You don't need to buy anything extra. You need to create an account and log in first. The codes only work when you're logged in. For most people starting out, Stellar is the right choice. It gives you 3 websites and 20 gigabytes of storage. That's plenty for a beginner site. Stellar Plus gives you unlimited websites and automatic backups. Good if you're planning to scale. Stellar Business? That's the premium tier with priority support. For established businesses, should you go with 1 year or 2 years? It depends on your commitment level. Testing something out? Go for 1 year at $29.57. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Know you're building something long-term? 2 years at $44.57 saves you money over time. Here's the process. Click the link in the description. Create your account first, then go to the domain section and click New Customers. You'll see the promo code right there. Copy it. Go to Hosting. Click Shared Hosting. Pick your plan and term. Add your domain to cart. In the cart, paste your promo code and click Apply. The domain price drops to $6.49. Check your total, then checkout. About 10 minutes from clicking the link to having your website live. Promo codes update regularly. That's why you should use the link in the description. It always points to the current codes. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee on all plans. If you don't like it, you can get a refund. You also get 24/7 support with every plan. Help is always available. Create your account, get the code, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.